Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to film with our high frame rate camera. It shoots 996 frames per second of Matt starting his cheetah, so we can catch the first impulse fire as we see the starter rotate around. So what you're going to see here initially is just a cheetah being started. Then we'll have some fun with it. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now we've reduced the audio, but here's the cheetah at normal speed with a SkyTech lightweight starter and a new battery spinning it. Now here it is at half speed. What we want to follow is the tip, because whatever RPM we're going at, here we are at quarter speed. If you're doing 100 RPMs, there's 200 blade tips going around. So that's the way we can kind of track to see how far the blade tip moves each motion of the frame rate. So here we are at 10%, and you can see the little stagger steps as the engine is being spun. When we get to 3% speed, which is the highest frame rate the camera will go, you begin to see every little beginning move during the start. And then of course when you have ignition, that first movement is going to be a much greater distance, and we're going to capture that for you. So now let's take a little bit of looking at what 3% speed or 1/30th of normal time looks like. And you can see the prop only moves, it looks like, for each frame about 6-8 inches in the arc. So we have a good baseline of knowing where it's going to be when it's being spun by the starter, so that when we have ignition, we'll be able to track it. Now that's enough of that right here. So as we're tracking a blade tip, we can see it, and then we can see the point of ignition, and here it comes. You can see by how much the tip moves in that first motion. And you can see now, once we get ignition and we're at 1200 RPM, that's 2400 blade ticks going by. And of course we're only be getting a fraction of what we're seeing, but again we're going to see a lot of motion in the prop. So that's how quick it happens and how fast that prop moves. So that's a danger of hand propping that people talk about. Now here's the cheetah at normal speed starting right up. You can hear it all. Now we're going to look at it again at 3% speed and try to catch that first tip going by. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what it looks like. It would be nice to film an airplane without a lightweight starter so the prop tip wouldn't be moving as fast, or to have a more expensive high frame rate camera. But we hope you found all this look at different frame rate speeds and catching that first impulse as it fires that prop tip around to catch you. We hope you found all that useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.